Hey guys, what's going on? It is your realtor Nick Isgro with eXp Realty here in Central Maine. Now today I am at 35 Punky Lane in Waterville, part of the new addition to the Punky Road Association here on the Thomas College end of town. Today we're going to go through a brand new double wide model here. Outside we're going to see a brand new house. Inside, as we move in off the porch, you're going to find a spacious open concept living room, kitchen and dining area. Kitchen, brand new appliances, spacious granite countertops in the living room, a gas fireplace. As we move through the model, you're going to see not only 3 very well sunlit bedrooms, but one of them is the big master suite, off of which is a master bathroom that I think is going to be very impressive to all of you. So without any further ado, let's head inside 35 Punky Lane right here in Waterville.